In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Outlook in full screen mode. If you spend a lot of time in your inbox, removing visual clutter and using every pixel of your display makes a big difference. Here's a simple way to do that, whether you're working in Outlook on the web or the desktop app. First, open Outlook. If you're in a browser, head to your usual Outlook sign-in page and land in your inbox. Give the page a second to finish loading so the interface elements settle. That way, when you switch views, nothing gets cut off. Next, use the quickest full screen toggle available. Press F11 on your keyboard. In most Windows browsers, F11 hides the browser's tabs, address bar, and other Chrome, leaving Outlook front and center. If you're on a laptop, you may need to hold the FN key while you press F11. You can press F11 again anytime to return to the normal view. With those extra bars out of the way, the message list, reading pane, and Outlook's own ribbon have more space to breathe, which makes scanning and composing much more comfortable. When you want to focus on a single message, open it in its own window and then maximize it. Double-click the email from your list in Outlook on the web. You can also choose to pop it out into a separate window. Once it's open, click the Maximize button in the Windows corner to fill the screen. This is perfect for long threads, large attachments, or when you're presenting and need a clean view with no distractions. To fine-tune readability, adjust your browser's zoom or enable the browser's full screen option from its menu. Zooming in or out resizes text and interface elements without changing your actual message content. Use the standard shortcuts, Control plus or minus on Windows or Command plus or minus on Mac OS, to find a comfortable scale and reset anytime with Control 0 or Command 0. If the F11 key isn't available, open your browser menu and select its full screen command. Most browsers also show an on-screen hint for how to exit. That's it. Open Outlook, toggle full screen, pop out an email and maximize it, and use your browser's zoom or menu to perfect the view. When you're done, exit full screen with the same key you used to enter it or by pressing escape. Enjoy a cleaner, focused Outlook experience that helps you work faster with fewer distractions.